In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Azure DevOps to GitHub using either OAuth or a personal access token. This is incredibly useful as it allows your Azure DevOps pipelines and projects to access GitHub repositories for tasks such as builds, triggers, or boards integration. Before we start, let's make sure you have the necessary prerequisites in place. You'll need administrative access to your Azure DevOps project, or at least sufficient permissions to create or manage service connections. Similarly, you need administrative or owner rights in GitHub, whether it's at the organization or repository level. Also, decide in advance if you'll be using OAuth, which is the recommended option for modern integration, or a personal access token, which may be simpler but isn't ideal for long-term integration. Lastly, know which GitHub repositories and organizations you plan to grant access to, and be mindful of any enterprise networking or SSO requirements that might affect OAuth. Let's dive into connecting via OAuth, which is generally the preferred method due to its security and maintainability. This setup involves creating a GitHub app or an OAuth-based service connection, allowing Azure DevOps to access specified repositories with specific permissions. Start by going to GitHub and installing the Azure Pipelines or Azure Boards app, or register an OAuth app if required. The specifics depend on whether you're integrating Azure Pipelines or Boards. Next, in Azure DevOps, navigate to your project settings, then to GitHub Connections, or go to Repos and Service Connections if you're working with pipelines. Click on New Connection or Connect your GitHub account and select OAuth or GitHub App Authentication. You'll be prompted to authorize and choose which repositories the connection can access. Approve the requested scopes, such as repo, read, write, and webhooks. Once you've authorized, you'll see the connection back in Azure DevOps. Select the specific repositories you'll allow access to and save the connection. Ensure the service connection is authorized for all pipelines if necessary, and that permissions are correct in Project Settings, Service Connections. Finally, test everything by creating a new pipeline, selecting GitHub as the source, and ensuring your repositories appear as expected. One of the key benefits of this method is the fine-grained permissions and app-managed tokens that minimize manual rotation. Alternatively, suppose you decide to go with a personal access token. In that case, you'll start by generating a new token in GitHub under Developer Settings and Personal Access Tokens. Choose appropriate scopes, such as Repo, Admin, Repo hook, and Read User, then securely store your token. Over in Azure DevOps, navigate to Project Settings, then Service Connections, and click Plus New Service Connection. Select GitHub, and in the Creation dialog, choose Personal Access Token as your authentication method. Paste your token, provide a descriptive name for the connection, and optionally enable the Grant Access to All Pipelines feature. Save your connection and authorize it if prompted. To test, create, or edit a pipeline, and ensure you can select your GitHub repo via this connection. Keep in mind that while PATs are easier to set up, they require manual rotation, may have wide-scoped access, and are tied to a user rather than an app. By following these steps, you should be able to connect Azure DevOps to GitHub smoothly, setting up your environments for enhanced collaboration and integration between these powerful platforms.